love this vehicle. This is a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first to open the vehicle's door today. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, running boards, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.